Growing your salon. Those are really big words. I think that how to grow a business has to start with how you are a great leader. So I'm going to talk to two subjects here. The first subject is the salon owner, the person who's working with a team, how to grow your business. And it's not easy to grow your business, but I know that balayage has certainly grown the numbers in my business, and so has French cutting and those efficiencies. And I know that you watch a lot of those videos that I do, but I really want to talk to you about growing a team, more so than just growing a technique and just growing a haircut or how to do something. Far too often I think salon owners study the analytics of their business, and they are so worried about, is my percentage of how much I'm grossing behind the chair to how much I'm selling in retail the most important thing? And I think that's really maybe not the best approach, to be honest. I think that what gets rewarded gets repeated in your business, and you have to grow a great team. Someone will help you be a better business if you help them be a better person. So I focus a lot on empowering my people. I know that people will say, oh, well, how many managers do you have in your salon, Candy? I'm like, we're all managers. I teach my people to manage themselves. I teach my people to be a part of something greater. When I go to hire someone, I always say this: I can help you be a champion, but the question is, are you going to be willing to drink the Kool-Aid? Are you going to be willing to be invested in our culture? Are you going to do the things that it takes for your own accountability to be successful and to have greatness? Creativity doesn't breed in a negative environment. And I really believe that salon owners in general have shot themselves in the foot a lot. And I probably have been as guilty of this as anyone, as in my 20s or maybe in my 30s. When I led through fear. And really, that is not what great leaders do. Great leaders walk beside you. Great leaders make you the best. My dad used to teach me this, and it never really hit me until I had my own children and I went through my own life and I had my own challenges. And that was, you'll get wherever you want to get in life if you don't worry about who gets the credit. And I say that because salon owners sometimes care more about their name on the door or the credit that they should receive because they are who they are. Really, what makes me the most happy is when my stylist gets the credit, and my stylist is the one that people want to come to, and my stylist is the star. And I think that if you run your business like that, that you will build an amazing, amazing business, and ultimately at the end it will grow. But I will say that one of the things I say a lot in the classroom is that when you're green, you will grow. And when you think you're ripe, you will rot. And far too often you have to be willing to listen with the intent to learn, and you have to listen to the youth, and you have to quit blaming the youth for things that aren't growing in your business. Listen, I will say that Gen Z is on the rise. I am super excited about what that has to play out for me in my own business. But growing a bottom line is more than just better technique or a class that you take, even though I think education is the key to success. It's really growing people that makes your business grow. Now, if you're out there and you're an independent contractor, you might be asking yourself, well, how does that relate to me? I'm just uno a mano. I'm just me in my chair. Well, I think there's a lot of things that you can do to grow your business. You can market yourself differently. Of course, we have platforms now like Instagram and things that are basically bringing people into your living room every day. And you're bringing them into your life every day. But you can't rely on that solely. You have to think beyond that. Nothing disturbs me more than when I meet a stylist in my classroom and they say they haven't been up on their prices, gone up on their prices in 10 years. And I look at them like, are you kidding me? Aren't you worth more than that? So I really think that you have to grow your business exponentially every year, and you have to find 1, 2, or maybe 3 things that you're going to focus on that year. Maybe it's giving back. Maybe it's working in your community. Maybe it's teaching at beauty schools. Maybe it's doing a photo shoot. Maybe it's creating some video content for your business. Maybe it's handing out flyers or doing something different. Also remember that there's so many resources out there to grow yourself, that it's not just hairdressing that grows you. It's things like great books and great podcasts and great blogs. Hopefully you're listening to this series and it's helping you to grow. There's a lot of people that have incredible business knowledge and wisdom that can help you. But I think in summary, the one thing that I could say to you, whether you're a salon owner to a team or whether you're a salon owner of your own, is you gotta be willing to ask for help when you need it. And I think pride gets in the way many times because we are fearful that someone will think we are failing in our business if we ask them for help or advice. But I think that's the wrong approach. I think truly to grow your business, in summary, you must be willing to lean in to others and ask for help.